So this is my exhaust louver for my microwave. My dryer vent is the same kind. It's the 3-blade design. This past winter, the middle blade broke off, so I put cardboard in there just to get through the winter. Now it's late spring, so I'm going to replace it. So first, this pops right off, and behind it, you have your exhaust ductwork. It'll have a collar in the back there. So to remove the vinyl siding, you need this vinyl removal tool. I got it from Menards. All I have to do is stick it up into the vinyl until it clips, and then pull down, and that loosens or detaches the vinyl. So you can take the vinyl out, and then you can get to the nails that hold in that louver plate, and it should come right out. You might have to stick a screwdriver in there if the exhaust duct is clamped down just to loosen it up. So the vinyl siding companies are conspiring against us. The existing louver is square, but the new one is a trapezoid. So I'll have to cut the vinyl to match. The other part is on the back end. The existing one is flush, but the new one has a little collar on it. Luckily the new hood will cover up the cut. So I'll just have to cut the ends here a little bit, here and here. So that'll fit. I'll measure the ductwork. That will go from this collar to the existing collar. So I measured 3 inches. That's what I cut. So I got the hood part in and nailed down with the ductwork attached. I'll just get the vinyl siding around it. I should be able to pop the top back in. Here's the finished product.